This video will cover the installation and placement of Primacoustic ceiling clouds. The density of ceiling clouds will determine the amount of sound absorption. This will vary depending on the size of the room and noise levels. Additional panels will calm an overly live-sounding room and reduce unwanted reverberation or echo. The clouds can be spread out evenly for general sound control or concentrated over noisy areas to absorb sound before it can reflect off the ceiling. The height of the panels can easily be adjusted to clear obstacles such as ducts, pipes, and lighting fixtures, or to create a unique look by using angles and height offsets. The suspension height should fall somewhere between a maximum of 76 inches or 193 centimeters and a minimum of 3 inches or 7.62 centimeters, allowing some space between the acoustic panels and the ceiling. Special considerations should be made so the panels do not interfere with sprinklers, air ducts, or lighting fixtures. All mounting hardware required for installation is included with the kit, and minimal tools are required for installation. Installation is easy. First, measure the back of the ceiling clouds 4 inches from the panel edges and find where the lines intersect. This will determine the location of the helix anchors. Install the helix anchors by pressing them firmly and twisting into place. Do not over-tighten. Transfer the anchor positions to the ceiling. Try to match the helix positions on the cloud and the eye screws on the ceiling as close as possible. This will keep the panels aligned vertically. Drill the ceiling position using a 1/8 or 3.2 mm drill bit to create a pilot hole. If you drill into a stud, screw the eye screws directly in place. If there is no stud behind the drywall, use a 5/16 or 7.9 mm drill bit to make a larger hole for the butterfly anchor to be installed. Fold the butterfly anchor and tap it into place using a hammer before setting the eye screw in place. Loop the slipknot cable through the ceiling eye screw, then feed the end of the cable into the slipknot hook and clip it to the helix anchor attached to the back of the acoustic panel. Complete this for all 4 corners of the panel. Remember to support the panel so the weight is evenly distributed across all 4 anchors at the same time. Do not let the panel hang off less than 4 anchors at one time. To raise the ceiling cloud, simply pull the wire through the slipknot hook, adjusting for desired height and angle. To lower the ceiling cloud, simply press the button on the top of the slipknot hook, and it will release the cable while you decompress the button. Now you're ready to customize the angle and heights as needed for best placement and aesthetics. Primacoustic, acoustic solutions for a noisy world.